What's going on, guys? It's your buddy Josh, the People's Mechanic. Today, I want to review a product that I'm pretty excited about, a battery charging product that not only has a ton of charging capabilities, but also has a repair function on it. I get a ton of questions from people about battery chargers and the proper equipment to use. And most recently, somebody asked me, Josh, is it possible to repair a damaged battery that may be oversulfated or have a cell that's going bad? And the short answer is yes. As long as the battery is not too far gone and you have the proper equipment. So let's check this thing out, let's unbox it, and let's see what it's got. All right, so let's check this thing out. I've already unboxed it. Keep in mind, I've used this a ton of times since the company sent it to me, but it did come very nicely packed, cables wound up and twist tied. I've just put it through its paces, so it is as it is right now. First thing I notice about it is it's small and compact. A lot of your chargers tend to be a little bit bulkier and bigger, so I can definitely appreciate the fact that it is small. It's got one button, so that makes it very simple to use. Comes with two different cable choices. You've got your heavy-duty clamps right here for your car batteries, and it's a ton of cable. I think it's like 6 to 8 feet of cable. And when I feel these clamps, they feel sturdy enough that they're going to last and not break, which is an issue I've seen with other chargers. They're nicely soldered and connected on the inside, so these don't worry me as far as longevity goes. It comes with your smaller eyelet connections for your smaller 6-volt batteries, because this will charge 6-volt and 12-volt batteries, which is nice. And it is fused, which is another bonus feature. I've got it set up here on the bench with a couple batteries. One is a good battery and one is a bad battery, because I want to run you through a couple of the features this thing has. I'm not going to be able to go through all of them because there are quite a few. Believe it or not, this little thing can do a lot. There's tons of technology built into it. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what our display looks like. See it illuminated. I'm going to hook red to positive, black to negative. And it's also got a fan on the inside of here, which is cool. It keeps it nice and cool and charging efficiently. I just felt that fan kick on. And this is the good battery right here. This is a fully charged, fully functioning good battery. Now, first thing you notice, the 12-volt icon at the top, automatically illuminated, because this thing will automatically detect a 12-volt circuit. If it's a 6-volt battery, it'll detect 6 volts, and that will illuminate up there. Another cool thing is the charging icon right there in the left-hand corner shows you the progress of the charge, which is pretty cool. It's just nice to see and kind of know where the battery's at, but you really don't even need it, because this thing will detect when it's fully charged and kick itself off. In the instruction manual, it says it's an intelligent 6-stage charging technology, has intelligent 6-stage charging technology that automatically controls the charging process according to the voltage level. Basically what I just explained to you. It will automatically turn itself off once the charge is complete. So you can literally set it and walk away and not have to worry about toasting the battery because you left it charging too long. That's kind of a cool feature. It protects against overcurrent, overcharge, overheat, reverse connection. So if I hook it up the wrong way, it's not going to spark, it's not going to kill the charger. It's just going to show abnormal right there on the screen. You can see that flashing, and you go ahead and correct your mistake and drive on. Let's do a quick run through on how to detect if your battery needs to be repaired and if the tool can do it. Because the tool will automatically detect it and let you know if it can repair it or not. So what you'll do is we're going to hook up to our bad battery. This battery's toast. I know it's bad. It's been sitting around for years. It can't be repaired. And I'm going to show you how I know that, because the tool tells me so. I've got an exclamation point illuminated right there, and abnormal is flashing. Now, if it could be repaired and the tool was capable of repairing it, the tool would detect that. And instead of that exclamation point, it would flash this little symbol right here, screwdriver and wrench symbol. Then all you got to do is hold the mode button down for 3 seconds, and it will begin the repair process and then recharge the battery. And again, smart technology built in. You just walk away and let it do its thing. It'll cut itself off when it's charged. And say you wanted to leave it for a week hooked up, it will trickle charge it after the charging process. So in conclusion, if you're in the market for a battery charger, it might be a good idea to select one that has repair capabilities built in. The Leicestercn battery repair charger has just those. It's high functioning, it's easy to use, and it's packed with a ton of features. And at only $29, it's got serious bang for the buck factor. You can find it on Amazon, and I'll throw a link in the description below. Hey, this is Josh signing out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the garage.